Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay magsisimula tayo ng panibagong series. No? At sa series na to pag-uusapan natin yung operations on functions. No? So pag sinapin natin operations on functions, kasama dito yung addition of functions, subtraction of functions, multiplication of functions, tsaka division of functions. No? So tignan natin yung definition. No? So given two functions f and g, then for all values of x for which the two functions are defined, the functions f plus g, f minus g, f times g, f divided by g are defined as follows. So f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x, and f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. Of course, no, kalimutan dito, but g of x must not equal 0. Lagi naman yan, pag meron tayong fraction, dapat yung denominator natin ay should not be equal to 0. Now, kung hindi kayo familiar dito sa notation natin, huwag kayo mag-alala kasi magbibigay ako ng specific examples. So, let's have two functions, for example. Yung f of x natin, halimbawa ay x squared plus 4x, no? Tapos ang g of x natin ay x plus 1. Okay? So, paano kung f plus g of x? Anong gagawin natin? F plus g of x. Paano pag define natin yung kapag in-add natin yung dalawang functions na yan according to the definition. So this is equal to f of x plus g of x, no? That's according to the definition. No? And yung f of x natin, however, yung f of x natin ay x squared plus 4x. So this is equal to x squared plus 4x, no? Tapos meron tayong plus, ano ang g of x natin? X plus 1, di ba? So x plus 1, so this is equal to x squared plus 4x. What is 4x plus x? That's 5x plus 1. So f plus g of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 1. Qualified na yan dito. But anyway. Now, f minus g of x. F minus g of x is equal to x squared. Anyway, f of x muna minus g of x from the definition. So this is equal to, again, f of x is x squared plus 4x, no? And then minus x plus 1. So tanggalin natin yung parentheses. This becomes x squared plus 4x, no? Minus x minus 1. And this is equal to x squared plus 3x. Diba? 4x minus x is 3x minus 1. So this is f minus g times x. Number 3, we have f of x, f times g of x. F times g of x. So this is equal to f of x times g of x. Meaning, multiply din natin yung dalawang expressions natin. Dalawang functions. We have x squared plus 4x times x plus 1. Parang gusto ko kayo na lang yata mag-multiply niya. No? Masyadong mahaba. Gusto nyo ba? Anyway, multiply na rin natin. We have x cubed plus x squared, no? This is x cubed plus x squared plus 4x squared plus 4x. So this is equal to x cubed plus 5x squared plus 4x. So this is f times g of x. And syempre, number 4, yung pinakahuli, this is f over g of x is equal to x squared plus 4x over x minus 1. And x minus 1, sabi g of x is not equal to 0. So x minus 1 is not equal to 0, meaning x is not equal to 1. Kasi pag nag 1 minus 1 ka, mag-0, meaning x should not equal 1. Okay, so sabi nyo, dali-dali lang pala. Madali ito. Actually, most of the time ay mag-substitute lang kayo at mag-operate lang kayo ng polynomial expressions, no? O kaya mag-add lang kayo, mag-multiply, mag-divide, tsaka mag-subtract ng expressions. No? Katulad nito, puro polynomial expressions tayo, kaya madali lang. But magkakaproblema tayo dito sa domain, no? Dito, hindi tayo nagka-problema sa domain kasi both functions, f and g, are polynomial functions. No? So, ang domain yan, set of real numbers. So, pwede tayo mag-add kahit saang value, kahit anong value ng x. No? Magkakaproblema tayo pag halimbawa, meron tayong function such as halimbawa, ang g of x natin, di ba, ano? Ang g of x natin ay x plus 1. Tapos, halimbawa, meron tayong another function such as h of x equals square root of x. No? Pag nag-add tayo niyan, although i-add lang natin yung expressions, but itong expression na ito, tsaka expression na ito, pero magbabago yung domain natin. No? Ang domain nito is set of real numbers. Ang domain nito ay greater than or equal to 0. Pag in-add natin yan ay hindi may mga magkakataong hindi sila papareho ng domain sa dalawang functions. In fact, hindi ito pareho. No? Hindi sila pareho ng domain. Okay, so yan yung mga pag-aaralan natin sa susunod. Hindi lang tayo basta-basta nag-add, no? Nag-subtract, nag-divide, tsaka nag-multiply ng functions. No? Dapat pag-aralan din natin yung effect, no? Nung 4 na operations na yan sa domain ng functions at saka sa domain ang resulting function. Okay, so by the way, hindi lang 4 na operations yan. No? Meron pa tayong isa, yung tinatawag natin na composition of function, which is pag-aaralan din natin after itong series na to. Before ako mag-end, let me remind you na dapat aralin niyo yung interval notation, no? Kasi gagamit tayo ng interval notation sa susunod na video. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. I'll see you in the next tutorial. And bago tayo mag-end, gusto kayong invite sa ating YouTube channel, no? Subscribe kayo kasi madami tayong video na i-upload soon. And of course, marami tayong nandyan na. As of this recording, we have more than 900 videos already. So, follow us on Facebook and also visit our website. If you like this video, just click the like button. See you in the next tutorial.